Guys, can you respond in the chat box? Guys, respond in the chat box, guys. Everyone. Super, guys. Yeah, now listen. Yesterday notes is not uploaded. Uploaded was, check it out. A new section might have created there. I have uploaded. Okay. Right. Super. Spring data, Spring Boot security with Spring Data JPA, boss. Spring Boot security with Spring Data JPA. Yes or no? Na? Super. Right. Okay. Unfortunately, there is no direct method, guys. Like in-memory authentication, JDBC authentication. Like this, we don't have direct method. That's the unfortunate news, boss. That's a unfortunate news. Okay. We have to create so many things manually. So it needs time. And that too, in this example, I'm also going to show user registration also. I'm also going to show user registration. And so far we are keeping username passwords ready in the database table now, boss. We are keeping username password ready in the database table. No, I want to provide one form. Okay, through form, I want to have a user registration. Through form, I want to have a user registration. Got it, boss? Yeah, see guys, there is no direct provision to work with Spring Data JPR, Spring ORM based authentication info provider. That means we need to implement most of the logics manually as doing other Spring Boot led application by taking separate repository interfaces, service classes, model classes, and etc. Auth in-memory authentication, auth.jdbc authentication. Like this, there is no direct template to work with what? Spring Data JPA or ORM based authentication provider. Clear, guys? So back to original story. Back to original story, right, boss? Yeah, Satish Gowda, it is solved now. You have to use instead of has role, you have to use as authority. Yesterday problem is solved. Instead of has role, you have to use as authority. Okay. Yeah. Form page, guys, user registration. I'm going for user registration. Form page, DS, controller, service, guys. Tell me, this is injected with the bcrypt password encoder. I will give password. It will give encoded password. Through repository, they will be saved in database software. Through repository, they will be saved in database software. Right now, boss? Okay. Here, maybe in Spring MVC classes, I have introduced theme leaf now. How to work with theme leaf. We discussed how to work with theme leaf. Discussed or not discussed? Right, boss. So here, I just, instead of JSP, I want to work with the theme leaf. Theme leaf is what? HTML extension, boss. HTML extension. Okay. HTML extension. Okay. To avoid JSP in the programming. To avoid JSP in the programming. Keep old Spring Boot security project ready, guys. Keep old Spring Boot security project ready. Okay, I will be keeping this one ready, Rabav. First one I am keeping ready. Pros 03 security app. Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA. 03. 3 APP3. Yeah. What's the second one, guys? Uh, Add the following additional starters and also remove few existing starters. Remove Spring JDBC starter, guys. Add these things because we are adding new things now, boss. Okay, go to pom.xml, my dear. Pom.xml. Pom.xml. Where is this? Where is this? JDBC related starter. Where we are having JDBC. Achha, in this one, JDBC is not there now, boss. Okay. I think better to take copy of this now then. Okay, already some database related information is there, right? Okay. I'll take a copy of second one because already some database related configuration is there. Life becomes easy, right? Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA, guys. Main class. Here is the main class. 0303. Rename the file. Yes. 0303. Rename the file. Right. Oh, tell me next one. Pom.xml here, guys. Pom.xml web. I think we decided not to use a JSP. Comment this. Array, nowadays, this is not commenting. I don't know why. Okay. Right, boss. Security. This is also not working, not required. Yes, guys. Remaining things are required. Right click team. Right click team. Where is that, guys? Spring add starters. Okay. Okay, guys. Aracle driver. I think already we have added Aracle driver now, boss. We have used already Aracle driver. If you want, you can use MySQL, guys. Okay, no problem. That's not an issue, boss. Yeah, what is that? Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA. Next one, theme leaf. Theme leaf. Theme leaf extras. Theme leaf extras. No, extras are not there, guys. Next. What are the things? Oracle driver already added. Lombok API. Yeah, Lombok API. Let's add Lombok API. Lombok API. Say next. Okay. Say finish. Okay, guys. Security, web dev tools, dependencies, start. Okay, that's not an issue. Test security, data JPA, theme leaf. This theme leaf extras is there now that you have to collect from MVN repository.com. Theme leaf extras. MVN repository, guys. What is that? Theme leaf extras. Theme leaf extras. Theme leaf extras. What's the name, guys? What's the name we are looking for? Theme leaf extras spring security. Theme leaf extras spring security. Leaf extras spring security. How to get it, guys? How to get it? Theme leaf extras spring security. Oh, that is why it is not coming. Theme leaf hyphen extra spring security file. No, search for artifact only. We are searching for artifact only. Theme leaf hyphen extras hyphen extras hyphen spring security file. Yes, boss, we got it. We got it. Version is not important. You just place it, it will pick up dynamically. You just place it, it will pick up dynamically. Here is my Lambda API. Say paste. Today our focus is user registration, guys. User registration. Save it. Okay, boss. Tell me next. This is done. Convert existing JSP pages to ThemeLeaf HTML pages and move them. What is that? Move them to SRC main resources templated folder and also remove view resolver configuration in application.properties. Also remove this one. All these things we should make it as HTML files, guys. ThemeLeaf is based on HTML. Okay, those who are not aware of ThemeLeaf, don't worry much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Copy them. Copied. There is a resources and templates folder, guys. Paste. Resources and template folder. Okay. Now this is not required. They are not required, guys. Now they are not required. Tell me. What is this? One by one. Home.html. Home.html. Tell me next one. .html. Inside that theme leaf code we should write, guys. Show balance.html, right? Show balance.html. Show offers.html. Show offers.html. Okay. Authorization failed.html. Authorization failed.html. Authorization failed.html. Okay, guys. Authorization HTML.html. Two dots have come up. Where we have got two dots? It's like home.html, two dots have. In home.html, two dots have come, don't worry. Okay. So we moved them, guys. Then there is no need of view resolver configuration. By default, themely files will be verified in what? By default, themely files will be verified in template folder automatically. Third, security API. I changed the context path a little bit. Yeah, I will edit the code of them. I will edit the code of them. Don't worry about it. We'll come one by one. One by one we will take, guys. So right now my focus is on what, guys? Right now my focus is on user registration. My focus is on user registration. Definitely we have to modify them. Otherwise, why to make you people panic? Let's modify the code. Let's modify the code. Home.html, guys. Home.html. Yeah, it's a it's a purely HTML code. I think we can keep this one as it is, boss. Okay, guys. Home.html. So there we would like to add what, guys? There we would like to add what? There we would like to add one register user hyperlink, guys. Already hyperlinks are there to communicate with other pages, right? So, but there we want to add what? Register user, register user. Okay, boss. Tell me, you have to import this one. You have to import this one, guys. Recollect your theme leaf knowledge. At the rate symbol to keep the URLs. At the rate symbol to keep the URLs. Dollar symbol to display the attribute values, right? Dollar symbol to display the attribute. Star symbol for binding operations. I hope you remember that. Star symbol for binding operations. Everyone remember that or not? Okay, guys. Home.html. So how to import theme leaf statement? How to import any theme leaf statement? 1 minute. Instead of mugging up and practicing that, hey, if not interested, you can continue the JSP. No tension in that. If not interested, you can continue the JSP. Sir, I don't want to take pain to my brain. You can continue the JSP also. Shall I go for JSP or you want theme leaf? Tell me. You want theme leaf or you want to be continue? Okay, theme leaf. Okay, fine, guys. Already you know JSP, na? Let's spend some time on this now, boss. Tell me here, what is our workspace? Class content. Git. Class content. Git 715 boot. There is another project we created, another location we created, guys. Spring. Yeah, this one. Security applications are there here. Microservices, MS microservice applications are there here. Boot extension 1. Okay. Extension. Boot. Where are my projects now? MVC projects are available where? Where are my MVC projects? MVC projects. From there, I just want to copy paste without wasting time. Where is the original MVC projects? 715. This is notes related one. Notes related one. Okay. Boot. Just a minute. Workspaces. No, not in another laptop. Workspaces, Spring, NTSP, BMS 715. Is there a? Okay, Spring NTSP BMS 715. It's not there. It's not there. Okay. Where we can see that class content, Spring is here, 715. Oh, this is class material, right? This is paintbrush documents, no? These are paint documents. No, no, no. We are looking for those things, boss. We are looking for those things. Extension, view resolver, mini project. What about remaining things, Rabab? Servers. And where we saved, guys, where we saved all these projects. Maybe they are not in enabled mode. These are related to batch processing. Then VC projects. Yeah, VC projects. Okay, 1 minute. Collect from Gita. Yeah, collect from Git folder. This is the Git location, guys. Yes, boss. Here, where is that boot JPA, IOC, MVC, show home page, data binding, soft deletion, downloading, 715, front controller, 1 minute. And I'm just looking for one theme leaf project, Prabhu. I'm just looking for one theme leaf project. Okay. MVC tags, code operations, show home page. No need of continue with this one, guys. Okay. Yeah, we got the original application, guys. Don't worry, we can save our time. Yeah, this is what, guys? Home.html. Home.html. Okay. Yes, that's it. Yeah, this is import statement of theme leaf, guys. Come on. It's an import statement of theme leaf. This is welcome to XYZ Bank. Now listen. My controller is going to be, my controller global path is going to be bank, guys. So 1 minute to avoid the confusion in the controller. What I'm going to take, global path. While working with the theme leaf, global path is compulsory, boss. Request mapping / bank. Request mapping / bank. Cool, guys? Super. Tell me here, balance, check balance, low approve. I think in our example, we have taken only loan. What is this one, guys? Only loan, bank operations controller. Offers balance loan. Offers balance loan. Okay, balance loan offers. Okay, cool. Now tell me. So here is the user registration related link, guys. For user registration, I'm going to take separate controller class whose global path is what? /user. Their register is the option. Okay, this is done, boss. Okay, next. So let's go to template. Okay, loan.html. In loan related one, this is the one we are writing. Copy this. Now we have to change one by one. Yeah, where is that? Show underscore approve, loan underscore approve dot html. Yeah, replace that one with this. Replace that one with this. This is import statement, loan approval page. Yeah, your approved loan amount is. Yeah, what is the attribute name, guys? What is the request attribute name in this one? Okay, account underscore balance or loan underscore amount. Loan underscore amount. Loan underscore amount, guys. Super guys, tell me, this is hyperlink to go to what? Home hyperlink. This is sign out hyperlink. This is sign out hyperlink. Array, whenever you are writing URL at the rate symbol, to read attribute values, dollar symbol. Come on. To read attribute values, dollar symbol. That's a theme leaf basic with things, boss. And to bind things, we have other things, boss. Next, we have something called template. Tell me, offers.html. What is this? Offers.html, guys. Offers.html. Where is this offers.show underscore offers.html? Say paste. Okay, show offer space, whatever it is. Show offer space. Some offers are shown. Home hyperlink sign out option. Home hyperlink sign out option. Okay, that's cool, guys. Next, show balance.html. Balance.html. Show balance.html. Get this code, guys. Paste it. Get this code, guys. This one. What is the in bank operations controller? What is this? Account underscore balance. Account underscore balance. What is that? Account underscore balance. Account underscore balance, guys. Super. Next. Account underscore balance was. Authorization failed was. Authorization failed. So there also we would like to go for access denied. Okay, whatever it is. Yes, guys. Authorization failed. Authorization failed, guys. Authorization failed for dollar username. We'll give the username. That's it. At the rate bank home, guys. At the rate bank home. I think all are done now, boss. Yes. Home.html, everything is done. Okay. Now listen, one by one we will go for. Yeah. After that, what is the next thing we have to do, guys? Create a model class. I would like to create a model class, guys. Whenever I submit the form for user registration, one record should be inserted in the tables. One record should be inserted in the tables having parent-child relationship, guys. Having parent-child relationship, here I am going to use collection mapping. Check it out, guys. User details. You can take any name. You can take any name. Don't worry. User details, UNID, UNAME, password, email. And as part of this one, this will be generated dynamically, Ra Babu. UID don't use, it's a result keyword in Oracle database. UNID, UNAME, password, email, status. Status means enable, boss. Yeah, roles I am going to store by having what? By taking separate table. Roles I am going to take by taking separate table. And role information will be stored in a role column. The role information will be stored in a role column. Check it out, guys. Okay. User information will be stored in what, guys? Security underscore users. And roles information will be stored in what? Security underscore role, having foreign key relationship, guys. Simply having foreign key relationship. Here, whatever I'm doing, this is called collection mapping, boss. One user will have multiple roles. This roles information we are trying to store in the child table. This roles information we are trying to store in the child table. Yes or no, na, boss? Okay. Recollect your collection mapping knowledge. Yeah. Let's go to what? Entity, boss. Entity is not taken. Okay, let's take the entity. New, new. What is this? Okay, class. New class. User info. Why to waste the time 1 minute? Let me save some time, guys. Anyhow, we got the idea, na? Okay. SRC main com.nt. Okay, here is my model class. Right. Copy this. Right, boss. Only to save the time I'm doing. Okay. You have a package, guys. com.nt.entity. Here you can take any name of your choice. Okay. Fill the code. Fill the code, please. Right click new. Right click new. What is there? Class. New class. Okay. To avoid the confusion, user info I'm taking. I'm taking the name as what? User info. User info. Why? Because you will get one more predefined user details, guys. I don't want to say any confusion in your mind. So that's why I'm taking like this. User info. User info I'm taking, boss. Is a regular entity class. What's the package name, guys? com.entity.entity. According to our comfort only, we will take it. Yeah, check it out, guys. What is there? Table security underscore users, entity data. Data means getter setter methods will come. Come on, guys. Next, UNID generated dynamically. Uname, uname. Unique is equal to true means I don't want to allow duplicate names, guys. Next one, password. I don't want to allow null values also, nullable false. Then what? Email ID here. Status is this. Status means enabled. Now listen, whatever rules I stored, I don't want to save them. I don't want to save them directly in what? Current table. I want to save them in a separate table called security underscore role. And that table and this table I want to keep in relationship by using foreign key column. By using foreign key column. Getting my point, boss? By using foreign key column. And okay, and whatever roles I am inserting, they should be stored in a column called role. They should be saved in a column called role, guys. Okay, fine. User info.java. We are ready with that. Okay, cool. Design form page in theme brief having user registration details. I'm asking name, I'm asking password, I'm asking email, I'm asking role. If one role is chosen, one role should be inserted for the user. If two roles are chosen, two roles should be inserted. Look at the entity class, guys. UNID generated dynamically. Uname, password, status, email, status is not taken. By default, status is on, boss. By default, status is on. Okay, next one, roles. Here also roles are chosen. Everyone getting my point, boss? Come on. Okay, this is purely user registration, guys. Purely. So far, we have hard-coded username, password in in-memory authentication and database tables while working with the JDBC authentication. But I want to go for dynamic generation of that. I want to go for dynamic generation of that. Clear, was user underscore register.html. Okay, boss. Resources, guys. Template. Super, guys. Tell me here what I'm going to do. New, others, HTML file, custom underscore login dot HTML. Custom underscore login dot HTML. Say next, say finish. Custom underscore login dot HTML. Say next, say finish. Okay, this is a custom login page, guys. What login page? Custom login page. Cool. Have a look, guys. Custom login page. This I linked with what, guys? Login. What is the request I am giving? Post. Tell me here what is there? Form. Username. What is this, guys? At the rate login post, guys. Tell me. Username. Array, this is not the way to bind, na boss. Binding is different. Binding is different. Binding is different. This is not the way to bind. This is not the way to bind. 1 minute. Access denied. That is different. This one we need. Yes, we need this one, right? Yes, yes, you are right. We need this one. Okay. I understood. I understood. Okay, we'll come to custom login later. Right now we are concentrating on what? User registration, right? Okay. Others one. HTML file. Tell me. User underscore register dot HTML. User underscore register dot HTML. Today our focus is purely on registering the user, guys. No other things. No other things. Okay. Yeah. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. We have to do this. Okay. First of all, before explaining this, guys, explaining this. Okay. This slide, I'll come to this later. Okay. First of all, you observe username bound with uname property. Username bound with uname property. Yes. Here uname. Next. Password bound with PWD property. Email bound with email property. Super, guys. Tell me. Checkbox 1, checkbox 2 bound with roles property. Here is roles property is there na? Roles property. Okay. Then regular submit button, regular this one. Regular submit button, regular this one. Clear, my dear? Okay. Super. Regular roles is this manager, manager. Okay. By default, customer is, I think we have taken clerk. Okay. In our example, we have taken clerk. In our example, it is clerk and manager. Right now, boss? In our example, it is clerk and manager. Okay. We'll deal with clerk and manager. Super. Right, boss. This is done, guys. Okay. What's the next thing? Uh, Develop the repository interface for user details model class. Yes, boss. Okay, we have to develop the repository interface. Where is that? Right click, new package, com.nt.repository. Com.nt.repository. Tell me, what is this, guys? New interface. Tell me here, what is the one? I user info repository. back, guys. Everyone, please come back. Yes, boss. User info. Everyone, please come back. User info in teaser. We are ready with repository interface, boss. Super. Next one is what, guys? We have to develop one controller. We need to develop one controller right now, boss. Okay. Let's develop one controller, boss. Let's develop one controller. Here, right click a new class. User registration controller. User registration controller, boss. Okay. How to make it as a controller class or user operations controller? Better to have that word now. User operations controller. User operations controller. Okay, cool. Tell me here. @controller, @request mapping / user. Okay. Yes, guys. Yeah, / user. Tell me, boss. Here is my what? What is there? Here is my public string. Show user. Show user registration form. Show user registration form. Tell me here what is there. @model attribute. User info. User info. User info, guys. Yeah, what is there? @get mapping. @get mapping. Tell me. @get mapping / register. @get mapping / register. Return. What is the page we have taken, guys? User underscore registration, right? User underscore register. User underscore register. Okay. User underscore register, guys. That's cool, guys. User underscore register. And this will launch form page. This will launch form page. Okay. That's good. But problem is we need to have a service class. We need to have a service class. Repository is over. Okay, user service. Develop service interface and service IMPL class using the above repository. Using the above repository. Okay, observe very carefully, guys. First time for the service interface, we are extending from user detail service, one predefined interface, guys. This is predefined interface. This is predefined interface. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Predefined interface. Okay, guys. Right. If you want, you can see the documentation about that. That is not user defined, guys. User details service docs. User details service docs. It is related to Spring Security, right? It's a predefined interface. Are you observing? Is it predefined interface now, boss? Is it predefined interface? Tell me. Core interface which load user specific data. It is used throughout the framework as user DAO and is the strategy used by DAO authentication provider. This interface required only one read-only method which simplifies support for new data access strategies. So that means what? Okay, here what are the methods, guys? Load user by username. Here we can write the logic, boss. Okay, here we can write the logic that is required for authentication and authorization. Here we can write the logic for authentication. This is Spring Security supplied predefined interface. Spring security supplied predefined interface. Okay. Predefined interface given by Spring security. Given by Spring security, right? Given by Spring security was. Tell me. Okay. Where functional interface. Where here we can write in the implementation class. In the implementation class, we can write the logic of authentication and authorization. Authorization with respect to login form submission. Login form submission. But right now, are we doing a login activity? No. We implement this interface, guys, but my focus is not on what? Login activity. Login activity is a second operation, tomorrow's work. Okay, my focus is on registering the user. My focus is on what? Registering the user. That's why whatever method comes because of this interface implementation, that method we worry later, guys. That method we worry later. But remember, this is first time I'm making my service interface extending from that. This is compulsory, boss. Otherwise, we cannot write authentication logic in this environment. Okay. Super, boss. Package com.nt.service. Com.nt.service. Here is my interface. Tell me. user info service, guys. user info service. Extend from user detail service. Extend from user detail service. Extend from user detail service. Listen, that is a default method, boss. That interface is having user detail service as what? Default method. If you don't write logic also, no problem. If you want, you can write the logic. Otherwise, you can ignore it, right? Okay, 1 minute. We'll see the implementation class. Don't worry about it. Public string register user info user. Let it be, boss. Okay, now let's go for implementation class. Tell me. User info service IMPL. User info service IMPL. What is the interface? iUser service. iUser info service. Add. iUser info service. Yeah, I'm taking my statement. This is not a default method. That's abstract method only. That is abstract method only, boss. Don't worry about it. Abstract method only. Right now, I'm keeping empty as part of login application. Login part we write wise. User service. Here I would like to inject the repository. What is there? Private iUser info repository. User repo, guys. Here you do auto wiring, right? Here you do auto wiring. Tell me. Super. Here what is there, guys? Here what is there? User repo dot save. User repo dot save user. User repo dot save user. Tell me here what is the message I would like to return. Return user registered. User registered. That's it, guys. Okay, this method we will implement tomorrow when we go for authentication authorization activity. So today we are just concentrating on user registration. Okay. Now listen carefully. Go to user operations controller, guys. What is the model attribute name I have taken? User info. Go to this place. Go to this place. Tell me. When I click on the form submission, where it should go? Slash user slash register. What is the mode of request? Post. It should be linked with what object? User info object. You should be linked with what object? User info. That means this username, password, email, roles should be collected from that user info object. When form is submitted, it should be linked with the user info object. We have taken I capital. Here we have taken I capital. Yes, we have taken I capital. But listen, this is for form launching, Babu. This is for form launching, right? But this is for form launching. But it is expecting what, guys? Post mode request. Same request path method for form submission, right, boss? For form submission, it is expecting same thing. But that needs what? Service object injection, right? I user details service. I user info service, user service, guys. At the rate auto wide. At the rate auto wide. Okay, boss. Tell me. Here I will take what, guys? Public string. Public string. Register user. Register user. Come on, guys. Public string. Register user. Okay. Register user. Tell me. Okay. First one. At the rate model attribute. At the rate model attribute. User info. User info. User. Tell me next one. Map. String comma object map, guys. String comma object map. At the rate post mapping slash register. At the rate post mapping slash register. Okay, now listen carefully, boss. Private bcrypt encoder. Okay, encoder. Bcrypt encoder. At the rate auto wide. Bcrypt encoder at the rate auto wide. And it comes through auto configuration, guys. If not coming, we have to create by using what? At the rate bean method. If not coming, we have to create through at the rate bean method. Control plus shift plus O, guys. Before insertion, I would like to encrypt the password, guys. Nothing else. Before insertion, I would like to encrypt the password. Encode the password. Encode the password. Tell me how to encode the password. String enpwd is equal to user dot get password. Super. Tell me, guys, here what is there? Encoder dot encode. Encoder dot encode. Tell me. User dot get pass. Encode the password. After that, what is the next thing, guys? Okay. Save the user. Save the user. Tell me here what is that? String msg is equal to user service dot register user. Tell me. Keep message in model attribute. Keep message in model attribute. Tell me how to keep the message in model attribute, guys. Map dot put. Map put. Sorry, user object you have passed. Acha, we have not set encoded password there. Okay, 1 minute. User dot set password. Encoded password. Happy, boss? Okay. Yeah. Map dot put. Map dot put. Tell me what is there. Okay, some message, result message, comma, MS. Result message, comma, MS. And once everything goes successfully, guys, uh, return LVN, logical view name. Logical view name. Tell me, return user underscore register underscore success. User underscore register underscore success, boss. User underscore register underscore success, guys. So now I have to create that page here now, boss. User underscore register underscore success. Save as, okay, user underscore register underscore success, boss. User underscore register underscore success. Success.html. Okay, guys. Tell me user underscore success underscore register. Okay. User registered. Here, what is the message I should use? Dollar result message. Dollar result message. Here is the home hyperlink. Okay, guys. Here is the use home hyperlink. This is the home hyperlink now, boss. Yeah, let's keep the tables ready, guys. Let's keep the tables ready. Let's keep the tables. I think all set, guys. All set. We are making home.html. Everything is perfect. Okay. Today, purely user registration. No authentication, no authorization. Purely, we are going to talk about the user registration, guys. Yes, boss. Tables, guys. Tables will be generated dynamically. Don't worry. I'm just confirming tables are already there or not there. Security underscore users, security underscore roles. No problem. Okay. Table drop. Cascade constraints, everything. Yes. One more time. Security underscore roles, guys. Table drop. Apply. Okay. Super, guys. Super, guys. Are we have gone for collection mapping now. That will take care of this one. Right. I think we all set for execution. Today, it's not more on, okay, it's like Java application, guys. Okay, it's like this. It's more on registration of the user, guys. Our focus more on registration. Still, authentication, authorization is not done. Still, authentication, authorization is not done, boss. I think user operations required. Yeah, bcrypt encoded is not found. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we thought that is coming through auto configuration, but somehow that is not coming through auto configuration. When not coming through auto configuration, what should I do, guys? What should I do? Public, what is there? Bcrypt password encoder. Create bcrypt password encoder. Super, guys. At the rate bean, guys. Return, tell me, return new bcrypt password encoder off. Return new bcrypt password encoder off. Okay, that is done, boss. That is done. That is done. Okay. And moreover, go to application.properties, guys. One more thing we have to here. Application.properties. Only data source information is there. We need to place what, guys? We need to place what? So data JPA related entries or not? Okay, data JPA related entries are not. ORM entries, Rababu. Tell me. What are those entries, guys? Spring dot JPA dot show underscore SQL. JPA dot show hyphen SQL or show underscore SQL, boss. Can you help me? Show hyphen SQL. Okay. Hibernate dot DDL dot auto. Okay. I think someone can supply them, guys. It does not take my time. ORM entries. Yeah, these are the ORM entries we have added, boss. ORM entries we have added. One more thing, boss. All these steps are there. These entries are there. Hyperlink is added. Now listen carefully. Yes, observe very carefully. Array, our paths are changed seriously now, boss. And moreover, whenever request comes, user slash register, we should place permit all or not. We should place permit all or not. In security configuration, guys. In security configuration, we should place permit all. Yes, guys. Tell me. Ant matchers, bank slash. Ant matchers, what is this? Slash bank. Ant matchers slash bank slash. Okay, permit all. Bank slash bank. Tell me here, what is this? Slash bank offers. Slash bank. Array, we have added global path. Don't forget that. Slash bank loan. Super, boss. Tell me next one. Ant matchers. Ant matchers. Tell me. Slash user slash register. Slash user slash register. Permit all. Slash user slash register. Permit all. Okay, guys. Slash user slash permit all. Why I should add it? Come on, tell me. Whenever request comes to this user controller, permit all. Otherwise, what happened? It also belongs to. It also belongs to any request, and there also it looks for authentication. That is user registration page. No authentication is required. You should not ask any kind of authentication. Right now, boss? Guys, Java application, guys. Java application. Okay, things are happening nicely. Tables are created nicely. Okay, as of now, no exception. Come here. Come here. HTTP 4041. What is that? Third sec app. Third sec app. Third sec app user slash. User slash. Oh, it is asking to sign in. That means it's going wrong. It's going wrong because we have given permit all for that, right? We have given permit all. That means still it is enabling security on it. So why so? Why it is enabling slash user slash register? Where is user operations controller, guys? Slash user slash register. Slash user slash register. Yeah, user slash register. We have not given a user slash register given a boss. Okay, things are not taken, changes are not taking. When changes are not taken, what you should do? Okay, say refresh once. Clean the project once, guys. Clean the project once, guys. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, clean the project once. Now run the application once. Run as a Java application. I think user slash register we have to type. I got it. I got it. User slash register we have to type. Open the browser, guys. Done, boss. HTTP 4041 third sec app slash register. Yes. Yeah. It's coming now, boss. Did you observe this? It's coming. Our page is coming or not? Okay. Raja, password is Rani. Email is what? Natraj@gmail.com. I have chosen both roles. Clerk and manager, both roles, guys. Clerk and manager, both roles. Click on register. Click on register. Okay. Actually registered, guys. Actually registered. Okay. Okay, guys. Already there. Okay. Refresh the tables. Refresh the tables, guys. Tell me here. Security underscore row users. Yeah, this is the table that is dynamically generated. Yeah, UNID 1, email address, password is encoded or not? Password is encoded. Status 1, Raja. Username Raj. Status 1, username Raja. Look at the roles, guys. Roles also came nicely, boss. One clerk, one manager. One clerk, one manager. Sir, everything is nice, but that success page is not coming properly. Success page is not coming properly. What's the mistake happened in success page, guys? Where is success page? Success page, success page, success.html. Okay, dollar result message. I think syntax gone wrong somewhere. We should not write like these, guys. We should write within the span tag. 1 minute. I will tell how to write. I will tell how to write. Loan approved.html. Write like this. As a span tag content you write, it will work. As a span tag content you write, it will work, guys. Okay. Success. Where is success, guys? Where is user underscore register underscore success? Oh, that is not coming. User underscore register underscore success, guys. Okay. Here open span tag. Here you write. You should use like this, guys. You should use like this. Okay. You should go for green color. Green coloring. Yes, boss. Come back. Home. Okay. Right now we are not bothered about that. Register user. Yeah, this is the how we have to start. Register user. You will get the home page, guys. Register user. You will get a home page. There you have got register user. Okay. Ramesh, tell me next one. Password, Hyderabad. Email raja@gmail.com. Super, guys. Uh, Click on register. Actually, 1 minute before clicking on register. Yeah, what is that, guys? Result message, result MS. Result message, guys. Tell me, click on register, guys. User registered. Message is coming now, boss. Now message is coming. Look at the table. Okay, look at the table, guys. Refresh. Second entry has come, guys. Refresh. What happened? What happened? Ocha. No roles are taken for second user. Acha, it's my mistake then. It's my mistake then. Let me delete the second entry. We forgot to select the roles for second user, it seems. Yeah, if you want, you can apply validations for that. If you want, you can apply validations for that. Okay. Ramesh, what is there? Hyderabad, Raja at this, only Karklo. Only Karklo, guys. Have a look, guys. Have a look. Third user has come. Third user related role has come. Okay, boss. 1 minute. Let me solve that problem. Go to where? User underscore register. Input type is equal to clerk. This is why it is not coming by default selected, guys. Checked, checked is equal to checked. Checked is equal to checked. By default, it should come as a selected one, na boss. By default, it should come as a selected one. It's a selected or checked, boss. Can you help me? Selected or checked? No, checked only, Ram. Checked is equal to checked. Refresh the page once. I don't know what is the reason behind it. View page source, guys. Use page source. Checked is equal to true. Somehow it is not taking, Rabab. Somehow it is not taking. Somehow it is not taking. Value is equal to manager. Acha, default DB value is coming. Okay, understood. Default DB value is reflecting, boss. Okay, 1 minute. How to solve that problem? Go to entity. By default, it is empty na, boss. Its value it's reflecting, right? Its value it is reflecting, guys. Tell me here, what is that? New hash set of new hash set of. Is there any provision to put initial values, guys? No value. No. Okay. Come on. It has to be solved. No, listen. It has to be solved by using what? No, it has to be not set data of all this stuff, guys. One day remembered additional data we have to give by using. Additional data we have to give by using. Reference data concept is there, na? Reference data concept. We have to use that concept, boss. We have to use because here empty, na? Here empty. So the emptiness is reflecting here also. The emptiness is reflecting here also. Okay, that's a small issue. That's not a big issue. I think you got idea how to register encrypted password in DB table, guys. Everyone got the clarity, boss? Super. All the steps are here. All the steps are here. Here, one small statement I would like to give. What is that? Still authentication is not done. Still authentication is not done, boss. That is discussed. Place @bean method for this class in the main class. In the main class. Right, boss? Got it? Super, boss. I'll give all the projects, guys. Don't worry. I'll give all the projects. Tomorrow I'll spend time on it. Let me complete this application, then I will give all the projects. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. We'll meet tomorrow at your regular.